up? What's happening? What's poppin'? It's your girl Desire Jean. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. If you are new, make sure y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. But today I just wanted to come and show you guys how I make my ginger hair mask. And y'all, this ginger hair mask has changed my hair for the better. Okay, I use this mask about once or twice a month, just depending on how my hair is looking and feeling. But you can definitely use it once or twice a week, but me personally, I just use it once or twice a month. And I'll get into why I use a ginger hair mask later into the video and the benefits of it. Okay, but here all I'm doing is just peeling the mask, or not the mask, wow, all I'm doing is just peeling the ginger. I'm peeling about 3 ginger roots, and I'm using a knife, but you can use a knife, a potato peeler, or even a spoon, whichever one works best for you.
Don't fall for it. Don't listen to them. Just follow the light.
Okay, so once I'm done peeling it, I'll go ahead and use my cheese grater and just grate the ginger just to make it easier to get the juice out. But if you don't have a cheese grater, you can definitely blend it into a blender and then just strain it, just like I'll be showing you in a little bit. But I definitely grate it over a bowl in my little strainer thing, because I noticed that the past couple times I've been doing this, the juice will just come out while I'm grating it, and so there will be juice all over the plate. So I might as well just go ahead and save me some time and do it over a bowl. Okay, y'all, so y'all see how much juice came from just grating the ginger? This is why I use a bowl instead of a plate. But now I'm just going to go ahead and use a spoon and press the ginger to release the remainder of the juice. And then I'll be adding about a cup of olive oil, the extra organic extra virgin olive oil, and just mixing that around. And then I'll go ahead and add in just a couple drops of some peppermint oil as well. Okay, y'all, so after I finish mixing my hair mask, I will just be pouring it into this old apple cider vinegar applicator bottle I just had. I didn't have a regular applicator bottle, so I'm just using this one. And so after I pour it into the bottle, I'll just be applying it to my scalp, down the shafts of my hair, and then to the ends of my hair. And then after I apply it, I would be going in with my scalp massager brush just to stimulate my scalp just a little bit more. And then the main reason why I use a ginger hair mask is because of dandruff. I used to have really bad dandruff, especially living in Colorado. It's really dry here. So my dandruff used to be crazy, but now it's non-existent. The ginger is really rich in compounds and nutrients that provides many benefits, and just like I just said, one of the main benefits is that it fights dandruff. Ginger has natural anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties that can help to soothe your scalp conditions like dandruff. Ginger also increases scalp circulation, which improving the blood circulation to your scalp. It ensures that the hair follicles have an adequate blood supply for healthy hair growth. So that's another benefit to using ginger for dandruff and for hair growth. And then it also reduces inflammation. Ginger could be used to treat the types of scalp inflammations that causes your hair loss. And then another thing that I love about using ginger is that it nourishes your hair. Ginger is packed with vitamins and minerals, including magnesium and potassium. Ginger nourishes and strengthens your hair. Ever since I've been using this hair mask, my hair has definitely been a lot shinier and softer, and definitely easier to detangle. Okay, so once I'm done applying the hair mask, I will just go ahead and put a plastic bag and a bonnet over my hair, and I'll keep it in my hair for about 30 minutes to an hour, just depending on how I'm feeling, and then I'll just continue on my regular wash day. But that's it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon.
Let me make up for the wrongs I